All right, if you want the drill that is a ladder drill to get your ass in shape, the pop squats are the one. When I throw this in my boot camps, clients love to hate it. So follow along, I'll show you how to do it. All right, so all we're doing is a pop squat. So pop squat is down and out, boom, up and in, bringing them in. The ladder makes it perfect because it gives you a target for both of them. So you're going outside the rungs and inside the rungs and moving forward each time. This is another one. We can do it reversed. I'm not gonna make a separate video because it's so simple. I'll just do it in this video. So it should look like this. Boom, out, in, out. So I'm moving forward each time, going all the way down to that deep squat, boom. And then now I'm to the end, all I'm gonna do is just reverse it. Now I'm doing that save movement in the reverse fashion. You're getting 2 for 1 in this video. Don't even have to go to another video to watch. You can see right away, high cardio, get you out of breath. This one's killer, good for your booty.